back. And you can do it safely. Yeah. You do it back.
Spring, that's spring still. Can't drill through it.
Oh yeah.
You get a lot of mileage out of it. That's it. That's that quick. Just run. Now show him the blade. See how the blades are twisted like that? He'll explain it to you in a minute.
I'll take it over.
Yeah. Yep.
Otherwise we cannot see it. Yeah?
Oh, okay. All right. I got it. I got you live, Benny. Hope you.
You got me live?
I got you live.
So the thing is, if you move one blade, 4 blades move together. If I lock one blade, this cannot move.
Yeah.
This cannot move.
Yeah.
This meaning is, if you have 3 blades standing on your floor, this blade cannot go up. Yeah. So if you have a hump in your floor, it cannot go over the hump. It's flattening out the hump. Yeah. That's the system.
That's the patent system.
There's not any other
Yeah,
machine.
see this thing here, it's holding yourself together.
Yeah, this is for stabilization.
Yeah. So that basically you won't have to get it balanced as much, correct?
Huh?
You won't have to get it as balanced as much.
We haven't started this yet. That's the first start for it. We haven't. So there's no fuel in it. We just put it together. That's straight off.
The handle you can put in any system that you want. The top was designed. You don't need a bending like this. You can see like this big guy. Yeah. No cable inside, so the cable never can steel rod. Any fix you get, the fix that you don't see in the field. Direct. That's the road. Lifting, yeah? No.
Oh, I just want to sit.
No, I know, but you take it now, take it there, okay? This is how we lift the machine. Yeah? If you take it over here, you have all the way there. So if lifting the machine is one guy over here, one guy over there. Or you also can take the lift bar.
Oh, you got the lift bar to put in.
Lift bar to put it in the gearbox.
Explain where this is mounted.
And you also have a lift hook. You also have a lift hook.
That lift hook is mounted on the gearbox, not on the engine.
Actually, if you have everything, you
That's
have
certified as well.
you have the lift bar.
So you can
have the trolley.
All the bolts, nuts are stainless steel. The whole bar is stainless steel as well.
Everything is stainless steel.
Another's
All
gonna run.
is stainless steel. Inside is a Teflon coating. Always smooth operating.
These here shock absorbers. Is anyone with shock absorbers
Yeah.
as well? Show them the shock absorbers, Benny.
One of these guys.
Well,